Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson on co-interior angles. We're saying co-interior angles lie on the same side of the transversal. We have our transversal here, EF, and then parallel lines AB and CD. So the co-interior angles lie on the same side of the transversal. Like angle H4 and angle G1 are co-interior angles. And then angle H3 and angle G2 are also co-interior angles. Right, what else can we say about co-interior angles? Co-interior angles are between the two parallel lines. Okay, so let's just say the two parallel lines. Parallel lines here. Okay, so it's between the two parallel lines, and then like this, you see that? So they're between, just like, remember we talked about the angles that are between the two parallel lines when you're dealing with what? The alternate angles. Right, if two parallel lines are crossed by a transversal, each of the two pairs of co-interior angles are supplementary. So please take note, co-interior angles are not equal, they are supplementary. It means they add up to 180 degrees. So this angle here, H4 and angle G1, they add up to 180 degrees. This angle here and this angle there, they add up to 180 degrees. They are supplementary, not equal. Okay, so if AB is parallel to CD, then we can say angle H4 plus angle G1 equals 180 degrees. And then angle H3 plus angle G2 is equal to 180 degrees. And then what reason do we write? We say co-interior angles. And then in this case, we're going to say co-interior angles and then AB parallel to CD. Okay, and then what does the converse say? If co-interior angles between two lines are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. So, meaning that if we have our two lines here, and then we have the transversal, and then if this angle and this angle add up to 180 degrees, let's say this one is 30 degrees, this one is 150 degrees, they add up to 180 degrees, then it means that these two lines are parallel to each other. That's the converse. Then the reason you write say co-interior angles supplementary. Okay, right. And then in the given diagram, AB is parallel to CD, and then BC is parallel to DE, and angle D is 142 degrees. Determine the size of angle C and angle B. You can pause the video here and try to find these two angles. Right, let's start with angle C. So if we check here, angle C plus angle D, these two angles, okay, they add up to 180 degrees because they are co-interior angles. You can see that CB here is parallel to DE here. So angle C and angle D are co-interior angles. They are supplementary. And then we can substitute our angle D there, and then we solve for angle C. So angle C is 38 degrees. You see that? We say 180, we transpose this one, comes this side. Then say 180 degrees minus 142 degrees, you get 38 degrees. Right. So what can you say about angle B? What is the size of angle B? AB is parallel to CD. Okay. Forming a letter Z. We talked about these angles. What type of angles are these ones? They are alternate angles, isn't it? These are alternate angles. Angle B and angle C are equal because they are alternate angles. Line AB is parallel to line CD. See that? Okay. All right. So this is also 38 degrees. Okay. Right. So these are co-interior angles. And then this is another question. I want you to try this question. In the diagram, HG, BE, and CD are straight lines. And then HG and BE intersect at F, AG and BE intersect at F, and then AG and CD intersect at G. Then angle F4 is 35 degrees and angle G1 is 145 degrees. Determine the size of angle F2. Which angle is angle F2? This one. And then hence prove that BE is parallel to CD. Okay, can we get angle F2? Yes, angle F2 is vertically opposite angle F4. So they are equal there. Angle F4 and angle F2 are equal. They are vertically opposite angles. So it means this angle is also 35 degrees. Okay, right. And then it says we need to prove that BE is, okay, let me cancel this. BE is parallel to CD. So these two angles supplementary. What is 145 degrees plus 35? Is 180 degrees, isn't it? So the two angles are what? Are supplementary. Therefore, BE is parallel to CD. Okay, since the co-interior angles are supplementary. See that? Okay, right. Thank you very much. We're going to meet when you do our next activity.